In this video, you're going to learn how to change your kicks from this to this. Let's get to the point. Firstly, we need a lot of reverb. This one, in fact, has a high value of decay and a high value of dry wet. That's good, but that's not enough. We need a clipper. I'm using the one from Kilohertz, which is totally free and you can download it from their website. And we want this to clip very hard, something like that. Thirdly, we take the whole track, we double it, we remove the reverb, and we turn down the volume 8 dBs. And that's it. In context, it sounds like this. Follow me for more tips.